I'm waiting for my work permit result. Kaso namatay na yung inaalagaan ko. Okay lang ba maghanap agad ng amo at mag-apply ng LMIA habang naghihintay?
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Kasi unfortunately, yung work permit nyo is tied up with that. Yung sa employer nyo na nag-apply ng LMIA on your behalf para sa inyo. And syempre, kung wala na si employer, wala na kayong pagtatrabahuhan. Or unless, I don't know exactly yung situation. Pero syempre, yung work permit nyo nga, closed yan, tied up yan sa isang particular employer. And kung wala na yung employer na yon, then you have to find another one. So, pwede po kayo maghanap at mag-apply habang naghihintay doon sa application nyo for work permit. Pero kung tutusin nga, dapat i-inform nyo na sila. Kasi you have the obligation to update IRCC about any changes na significant or material doon sa application nyo. So kung wala na si employer, di wala na nga pagbabasihan yung work permit application nyo, unfortunately. But yes, you need to find one as soon as possible, a replacement employer as soon as possible.